Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
So we are currently learning Python and we are in chapter 7. Today we will learn how to create binary files. So we need to write data as binary file such as an image file, sound files. Okay, we can also write text data in binary. Okay, we must supply data in the form of object that exposes data as bytes. Example, byte string, byte array. Now let's write a binary file. F equals to open and hello.dat. Generally we provide an extension of dat, okay, to represent its a binary file. Then we will use the mode, that is W is the write and B is binary. Now let us run it. Say f dot write. I'm writing a binary file. Okay, \n. Run it. Oh, I forgot to enter the byte string, right? So that is the thing. We will write B and let's try yes. Then f dot write, say B. Let's write another line. Suppose this is the line. Okay, close it, run. Now f dot close the file. Let us see that particular file. See, this is the file, right? Now try to open this file in the text editor and see what you get. Writing a binary file. Let us write another file. These two lines are there, right? Okay, now let me once again see. We do not need this, it will create confusion, so let's delete that. Let's open this dat file again. Okay, now see, I am writing a binary file and let us write, these are the two lines, right? So let us overwrite it again. Okay, so let us open this file. Okay, and here we will change it. Open. This time I run it, this time I run it, this time I run that too. Then let us see the content. See, the two lines we can clearly see, right? So this is the way we will create a binary file. Now this is in the mode is in write binary mode. Okay, so you can only write, you cannot append. Now in order to append that particular file, we have to write AB. A will be append and B is the binary. Okay, let us open the same file. Okay, now let me delete this line. The file is open, right? Now let us write, say line 1 equals to hello Python developers. Okay, run this. LINL, these two are just variables. We have not written it till now to the file. Okay, then say run this line, then f dot write. Okay, so what we do there, line 1 dot, we will use an encoding scheme as encoding encoding. Okay, we have to write line1 dot encode. Okay, so this is a function, then there you pass the function utf-8, right? Let us run it. Okay, that is successful. Copy this one and we made a small change. This is line 2, right? Let us run this one, then f.close, f.close. Now let us see what this program will do, that same dat file. Okay, okay, now let us see this line and this line. These two lines were already there, right? Now this particular file, when we open in this append mode, and it has appended these two lines, hello Python developers and binary files are great. Now note that here in this also, since we have not used \n, so we the line is written in the same line. Okay, if we use a \n at the beginning of each line, then we would, these two lines would have saved in a new line, okay, that we have to remember. Okay, let us close this one, and if we want to read a file, okay, then we can read that particular RB. We have to use RB, and we will do little changes here. Now here I am showing you how to open a binary file and read that particular file. Okay, so we will use with ope and open hello.dat. Let us see, it is hello.dat is right. Yes. Okay, hello.dat. Then we have to use this mode, that is the read mode, read binary. Okay, then as f. Okay, then data equals to f dot read. Okay, so from the file, so with open we are telling open this file, store it in this particular variable f, and we are telling here data assigning whatever things will read from this particular variable, we are assigning it to this data variable. Okay, then we have to use a decoder now. Text equals to data dot decode. It's a built-in function, and you have to mention utf-8. Okay, run it. There you write print this particular text variable. So whatever content were written in the files, we have completely read, okay, using this open statement, with open statement. Now let us also see how do we move to a specific location using seeking. Okay, so that is what I will show in this example right now. So let us remove all this and we insert a cell here, open hello.dat. Okay, then mode is read binary. As we are giving an alias f, then after that we have to provide a colon and write the content what we want to do here. Reading first 10 CHERECTERS characters. So what we did, data equals to f dot read, then we are providing first 10 characters. Okay, then txt text equals to this data dot decode and provide utf-8. Okay, then say we will print here itself, no problem, we can print that, print txt text. Okay, now what we want to do, after reading 10 characters, let's move the CURSOR cursor to DINITIL initial POSITION position. Okay, that there, suppose you want to rewrite or you want to once again write it, then now see what exactly happens when you say f read of f10. Suppose this is the sentence, so it will read the first 10 characters, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, up to these positions it will read. Think like this. Now if you want to read it again, then you have to put back the pointer from this location to the first location. So that is where we use seek f dot s seek, then provide 0. Okay, it means 0 means the 0th location. If you want to seek it to other location, say 1 or 2, you can do that all, that as well. Data equals to f dot read. Okay, then txt text1 equals to data dot decode, then write utf-8. Okay, say we will put a new line \n, then we print the text, print text text1, this variable. Okay, so let us open this particular file. Now see, it will read this print, first print. What it do, it will read data up from this location. One gap will be there, 1, this is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and up to t it should print, right? Okay, now let us run it. See, it started from there is a gap here and up to t it printed, right? Okay, and after that we just did a seek, reinitialize the pointer to the initial position here, this place, and we read the rest of the line. So this is the seek. We may need sometimes, you know, so remember this 6 also. This is the end of file handling. So that's the end of this session. Stay tuned, and if you guys like my tutorial, please comment and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a nice day.